Hello family, welcome back again to Sweet Shee's channel, where beauty is simplified to your preference. And a big welcome to anyone joining me for the first time, and I hope you stay with us. So fam, today I'm going to show you how I came up with this full makeup look. It's a full makeup, so please get your cup of tea, a drink, whatever, and then stick around with me. All the products used will be in the description. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, so you can check that one in my previous video. So now I'm just using concealer on my eyes to prepare for my eyeshadows. So now I begin with the side, to make it a bit darker, to do my dark eyeshadow at the corners of my eye. We are going for a gold look, so that's how I come about my makeup. That's my NYX palette that I use, so I choose the color that will blend easily into my skin. Please forgive me when you see the mirror that I'm using being lifted too high. I apologize. My brush is from Primark. If you would like to get one, it's very cheap but easy and nice to use to do your eyeshadows. That's my fixing spray. I spray a bit on the brush and then dab it in my makeup eye palette and then begin to apply it on my eyes. So here I begin to soften the edges of my eyeshadows. With our dark skin, the trick here is always to use an orange tone or a bit like, let's say, peachy eyeshadow to blend out to soften the harsh line. And that's my other palette. That's my Revolution palette. It's an old palette, but I love it. I love the colors, so I always get back to it. So you always keep on going, and then just watch what you are doing to make sure you are on the right path. So always try to apply the yellow to it to soften it. I noticed the brush couldn't pick the pigments of the gold shimmer well, so I used my finger to reapply the gold on my eyelids, and now you could see that the gold color is popping. And now that's the time for my eyeliner. So if you'd like to know how to do an eyeliner separately, you can also leave it in the comments. That's my eyelashes. So now I apply the glue on it and then stick it on my eyeliner. So gradually we are getting there. Doing makeup is not that difficult. You just have to have time and then take your time to do it gradually. The more you do it, the easier it will get for you. So now, going on, I apply my mascara underneath my eyelashes, not on top of it, so that the next time I'll be able to use it. And now I do my eye and the eyeliner. Normally I do my eyeliner before I do my eyelashes. I forgot it, so but still you can always come back and do it. So I wanted to highlight my eye, so I used a green eyeshadow to do it. That's a bit, liquidy. So I apply my primer. This primer is very good for people with acne prone skin. So, and also put it where you mostly get oily, and I mostly get oily on my nose, so I apply it just on my nose, and now I'm trying to hide all my dark marks. So now my dark marks are gone. I apply this gold shimmer cream. I got it from Mua stand from Superdrug or wherever you can get it. It makes your foundation really pop up and glow. So you can either first apply it on your skin before you apply your foundation, but I see it, you can equally mix it with your foundation, then you apply it. Here I was going a bit quicker, so I mess up some part of my eyebrows, but I later fixed it. So this is my foundation brush that I first use it to apply, and then go in with my blending brush. This brush is Thumbs Up. I got it from Superdrug, and it's the best brush I've ever but it's so good. When you use that brush, you don't even need the sponge, the blending sponge to blend it up. So from here, I was enjoying myself playing some music. I begin with my highlight, spray a bit of water, apply a bit of the highlight, and then begin to blend it underneath my eye to give some sort of contrast and highlight on your face. So now I begin to contour my nose, side cheek bone to bring a bit of illusion on my face to make either your face slim or whatever you want your face to look like. So makeup is form of art, so just take your time and do it gradually, and then you get there. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I noticed I was lifting the mirror too high because I wasn't getting the right angle, but next time I promise to take it more down. So I added a bit more of the highlight. I noticed I needed a bit more. My highlight is also really light. It's for acne prone skin. So I'm now using all products that is not so heavy because I'm now suffering from acne and I don't want to make it worse. So now contouring with a powder on top of the cream that I did. Bam! This makeup is already popping. We are almost done, you can see. So this is my bronze. So I added a bit of bronze on my cheek and on my forehead on top of the contour area, and then I used my rosy cheeks powder, breast powder, that's how I would say it. And then now my highlight palette. I love this palette. It's from NYS. Wow, it brings all the highlights that you need. And here, if you'd like to highlight your brow bone, it's up to you. You can use a bit on your brow bone for your makeup to go to another level, but I normally don't really want to highlight my brow bone. I prefer my brows to look more natural, so that's all that you do. Make sure you always use your brush to brush under your cheeks going to your neck, so that your face and your neck will blend. So now I apply my lipstick. You can go for any lipstick color you want. So now I set it up and boom, we are all done and set. Fam, that's the final look. How do you check this look? To me, did I do a good job or not? Please don't forget to put on your notification bell for weekly uploads. Furthermore, please like, share, and subscribe. So until our next upcoming, lots of love. Bye bye.